So I just left a Solex PICT 28 PICT 1 in CHEM DIP, about 16 hours. So I wanted to pull it out. I'll post pictures on what it used to look like. And obviously it's not done yet. I gotta give it a little bit more scrubbing. Wow, that's insane. This was stuck on here. Says it's screwed. I'm gonna stick the whole thing in here. But that is insane. You know, like I said, I'm gonna scrub a little bit more, but dang, everything's pretty much came off from what I could see. That's crazy. Yeah. Man, this stuff smells to high heaven. Man, whew, that's awesome. Got a little bit of surface rust there, but clean it off, it'll be all right. Not bad. That is insane. That is insane. Like I said, I'll post some pictures showing you kind of like what it looked like before. I'm not going to pour that back in this stuff. Definitely make sure you put a top on this thing too. That way it doesn't evaporate. But yeah.